Are you tired of using Twitter and looking for an alternative social media platform to express yourself and connect with others? While Twitter is undoubtedly a popular platform, it may not be the best fit for everyone. Fortunately, there are several alternatives to Twitter available that offer different features and cater to specific audiences. In this article, we will explore some of the top alternatives to Twitter that you may want to consider. If you are an Indian Twitter user looking for alternatives to the platform, there are several options available to you. Here are the top 3 alternatives to Twitter for Indians. Koo is a microblogging platform that was launched in March 2020 as an Indian alternative to Twitter. It has gained popularity among Indian users due to its focus on regional languages and has over 5 crore users. Koo offers features similar to Twitter, such as short posts and hashtags, but also offers support for Indian languages such as Hindi, Tamil and Telugu. This makes it a great option for users who prefer to communicate in their native languages and express themselves without the fear of being lost in the noise of English-only platforms. Additionally, Koo has been endorsed by the Indian government as a platform that promotes Indian languages and has been used by politicians and celebrities to connect with their followers. Mastodon is another social networking platform that has gained popularity among Indian users as an alternative to Twitter. It is an open-source, decentralized platform that allows users to create their own servers, called instances, and connect with users on other instances. Mastodon allows users to customize their experience and offers features such as content warnings and local timelines. With Mastodon, users can enjoy greater privacy and control over their data and interactions. This makes it a great option for users who are concerned about their privacy and want a platform that prioritizes decentralization. Microblog is a social networking platform that allows users to extend their reach beyond Twitter. It supports cross-posting to Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Mastodon, and more. It also allows users to import and export content between platforms, making it easy to switch from Twitter to Microblog. Microblog focuses on building a community of bloggers and writers, offering a simple platform for people to publish content and engage with each other. This makes it a great option for users who want to focus on content creation and engagement and want a platform that supports cross-posting to other social networking sites. While there are several other social networking platforms available, these 3 alternatives offer features that are popular among Indian users looking for a Twitter alternative. These platforms offer regional language support, greater control over privacy and customization options, and a strong focus on content creation and engagement. Whether you're looking for a Twitter alternative that supports your language or a platform that allows you to extend your reach beyond Twitter, these 3 alternatives are worth considering.